about to shit his pants.
Oh, how would you know?
No, not again, not again, not again.
I'll be right back with some fresh drinks for the two of you, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
So, any siblings?
Yeah, I have two. One younger, one older.
Y'all are close?
I feel like we're just existing next to each other.
You're right. I mean, we both work full-time. The kids are active. I'm fucking tired.
I'm tired too. We used to be such goofballs together.
Yeah, we did.
I miss that.
I do too. Hey, you remember our favorite game?
Do I?
Okay, that couple over there,
Uh-huh.
what's their deal?
Oh, well, they're on a date.
Uh-huh.
He's probably boring her with some, family story or something.
Oh, she looks miserable.
Oh. And I think he's going to propose.
What? No way. They look so uncomfortable. It's like they don't even know each other.
Look at the lump in his throat.
So yeah, families are tough.
Tell me about it.
Will you marry me?
What?
Yeah, that was kind of weird, huh? Sorry, you just blurted that out.
We barely know each other. This is our first date.
Yeah, it was just like a intrusive thought, just marry me.
That's a horrible idea. Good grief, I hate dating.
Let's jump in with both feet.
No.
All right, here's some refills for you, and a complimentary glass of champagne for the lady.
Oh, and let me guess, he put the ring in the champagne to surprise her.
Naturally.
Oh my God! What? Oh,
I didn't know about that. Yes.
There we go.
Oh my gosh!
Now it's
You know what? I know we just met and this is crazy, but yes, let's do it. Let's do it.
That was amazing. Okay, the two over there, what's their deal?
Oh, they're gonna break up.
What? But they walked in like all happy and holding hands. There's no way they're gonna break up.
I said what I said. They're gonna break up.
Okay, we'll see.
Well, I think we should really just go, what's the usual, split 2 entrees. Oh, the pumpkin pie is back. I know what we're having for dessert.
Sure, we can do that. I think I want to break up.
No, you can't do this to me. I'm not prepared. Where did this come from?
I don't know, it was an intrusive thought. What I meant was I want to spend the rest of my life without your involvement.
What? We just bought a house. We have 2 kids aged 3 and 5.
I know, but I want to live alone.
Okay, why did you bring us to our favorite restaurant if you were just going to break up with me here?
I didn't plan any of this, I just sat down and it felt right.
What am I going to do?
You'll be fine, you'll find someone.
Well, what are you going to do?
Oh, I'll manage.
Oh, that was cold. Oh, I feel bad for laughing. Okay, the guy that's walking in right now, what's his deal?
Oh, he's about to shit his pants.
Oh, how would you know?
No, not again, not again.
How are you so good at this?
I caught a magical fish that granted me the power to implant thoughts into people's minds.
So you like horrifically ruin these people's lives, like destroy. For me?
That's not all I did.
Let me take you two home.
I love you.
So glad you think so.